MJ and I are going kayaking today, but just drove on the curb.
Don't put that in the vlog.
That's going in the vlog.
Don't put that in the vlog.
We're going kayaking today, but in South Carolina. And so there's a bakery that I found on Instagram in South Carolina called Cupcrazed, and it was on Cupcake Wars and they won, and their Instagram is just super cute. I mean, look at that. It's like adorable. So we're gonna go in there and look at the cupcakes. Look at how cute they are. We got the goods. I got a Butterfinger. Hi, how are you? And Jay got a sundae. Isn't it so cute? It's a mini little sundae. It's got a little cone and everything. Ow, on the wall. Let's try it.
I'm eating the cone first.
The frosting is amazing.
The frosting is very good.
So good.
That's what I ate out of the cone. It's a little baby.
Damn. I did. Well, you don't like my joke?
No, I love you.
We're going out there. My arms are gonna probably be noodles after this. Look at that flow, yo. Gonna have some noodles. Hey, don't put a lot of junk in my trunk. Whee! Can you make the Tarzan noise? We found somebody's swimming hole over here. Looks like fun. This river looked a lot scarier from the outside, but it's been pretty easy to paddle, hasn't it? Yeah. Looked a lot scarier. We even put on our life jackets and everything to be safe. But if you I don't know if you can see over there, but the water looks like it's fast, but it doesn't feel that fast. The sun is setting, so we have to go soon, but it's been a fun day. We went to another place first and the water was way too fast, like looked scary. So we found this place on Google and it's good. It's right next to the dam. So MJ's gonna do a trick. Woo! Oh my God. Yes, kayak tricks. So I think the dam, like they shut down part of the dam because there's like hardly any water. We've been out here for maybe, I don't know, an hour or two, and the water was definitely not this low when we got in. Uh-oh, look, MJ's getting out. I'm stuck on a rock. Look at all the rocks. We definitely would have not got in here if we saw all these rocks. There isn't a way. The water definitely went down. Oh. Oh my God, look at the tiniest little plant growing on this rock. It's like the plant in WALL-E. Oh my God. Look at it. Oh my goodness, Miranda Sings is coming to save me.
There's a little tiny channel here. You can't get to here.
I can. I just don't.
You're on a rock. Oh.
I want you to video this.
I don't know what it looked like before.
When we got in here, look at, I'm stuck on this rock. Let me try to get onto stand.
Are you sure I just shouldn't pull you out? Oh, there you go. You're free.
I'm free of the rocks.
There's one behind you.
No, not, oh, damn it. There's a whole bunch of them, I'm stuck. It's like an obstacle course. We touched it.
No.
I'm literally sitting in inches of water right now. Maybe 2. Ugh.
Are you ready for help now? My feet are going a little numb.
Are they?
Yeah.
Hold
Yeah.
on, I'm almost,
Yeah. Those feet.
I'm almost there.
Keep going.
This is an ab workout.
A little more.
Oh,
There, she's free.
I did it.
For a little bit.
No, it's so, oh, I can't. I give up. I'm gonna get pulled in now. When we launched the boats, all of those rocks over there were definitely underwater. I went over those, a few of those when I was in my kayak, and I guess at night over here the river gets low. So that was interesting. Good, definitely good to know if you're ever gonna come to this area to kayak. Make sure you pay attention to what time it is, because the river gets low at sunset. So anyway, thank you for watching this random vlog of fun and fails and everything. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I am going to Disney World in 2 weeks, so there will be Disney vlogs very soon. So make sure you're subscribed for those so you don't miss the magic. See you next time. Bye!